The minute you get your hands on this wonderful portable, you find yourself with an urge to express yourself.
The IBM Selectric, a typewriter so different, only the alphabet remains the same.
Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Ramos, and today we're going to be building Novel Keys NK65's mechanical keyboard. So stay tuned. This is Novel Keys NK65 mechanical keyboard. It already comes assembled with a PCB that is already programmed for you to plug in and immediately start typing away. It already comes with the stabilizers installed for you, and since this is a hot swappable keyboard, you don't need to solder or solder. All you need to do is just put the switches in these two sockets. These are switches. They come in all kinds of colors and materials depending on what kind of feel, sound you're looking to achieve. This is a Novel Key cream switch. These are known for being silent and have a buttery feel when you type with them. To install the switch, you simply align and push down, just like this. It's that simple. However, since this process takes a very long time, depending on the size of your keyboard, I suggest you put some nice music, grab a cup of tea, and enjoy the process as you go along. I personally find it somewhat therapeutic. And finally, we put in the last switch, right here. And that is one step down. One thing you should know, if somehow one of your keys does not work or stops working, you can easily replace that switch with another, making this kind of keyboard one of the most easiest to fix. And now we're adding the keycaps. For this build, I'm using MX Cherry style keycaps that are going to be compatible with my switches. So basically, now all we have to do is just add them one by one and push down, just like this, and then you test it. All right. Let's add another one. And since this is a very repetitive process, I'm gonna speed the video a little bit. And here we go, fully assembled. And now for our last step, which is So that's it. Simple, right? So if you're looking to build your own mechanical keyboard, all you gotta do is click on the description of this video or check my website for all the links. Thank you.